Okay, today we're going to be doing a shelf right above the hot water heater. And if you see, hot water heater is kind of set back, so I'm wasting all that space up top. So I'm going to put a shelf up top here, and then on the front side here I'm going to put pegboard so I can hang some of my tools. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is measure. I want to be above this here, so maybe about 2 or 3 inches above here. And then we're going to do anchor here, wood, wood, and wood across. Alright, let's get started. We're going to take our wood, measure it out. So 69. About there. Put our square down. Got at 69. Even. Measure this, boom, put the bits. Alright, we cut our bases for the sides over there, and then I drilled some holes on each, and then we're gonna drill them to this using two and a half inch wood screws. That'll work. Okay, now I have my framing in. As you can see, I cut 69 inches down. That cleared this here. I can still get to the hot water heater. I did going across the backside, created a box basically, put one support in the middle, and now all I have to do is put some OBS boards on top here, and this is done basically. It's not done, but I'm gonna put in front here, I'm gonna put some pegboard, so this way I can hang some tools and stuff there, and I'll have storage up top there. What we're doing on this wall is creating shelving. That table there is going to sit in the middle here towards the ladder there, and we're going to have shelving coming all across, down, up on the top side. So that's all going to be shelving. As you can see, I put in one 2x4 already. Basically found my studs, drilled into the studs, so you can see all the way around. Whoop, this one, gotta put one there, and then another one there. All right, let's see. The reason I have the ladder here is to help me, because I'm working by myself right now. So what we're gonna do, get yourself a small piece, All right. Put this right there. Oh. Just gonna go to hold right there. So let's put that right there. And go even with that. Okay. You don't want to drill this into the stud. You just want to drill this into the wall. Okay. Once we put that one in for support, we're gonna get our level. All right. So I'm gonna come up just a little. All right. Make sure it's level all the way through. And just put another support right here. That'll support. That'll support. That'll support that. Your level. All the way across. Now we're gonna put in some there. Measured out the gap that I want to put. 16 inch. I'm going to start another shelf here. Which is going to go up 4 inches. And we're good to go there. Going all the way to the wall there. Stop. Space there. Going all the way across. We're leaving no shelves here. No shelves. We're gonna start here. And we're gonna do shelves going to right here. Right, we're gonna be painting the garage. We're going with that gray, and I'm doing half gray with the blue bottom, as you can see. We're gonna be getting rid of all this, making shelves, painting the garage door. I started to paint on this side already, and let's get to it. I was able to spray half the wall, half the garage, the whole ceiling, and half of the whole garage. As you can see, it's a big mess, and that's what took me forever. The painting was easy, but the garage is going to go gray, blue door, black outline, black border. So let's see how this works. All those are mounted to the wall and to the stud. You can see screws right to the stud. Use the Kreg jig to make some holes, put them in. I stopped here because I'm doing different size shelves that way, so those are all going to be the same size. So you can see. So here, screw this, double this up, because this is where I'm putting my one going up and down. And again, doubled up here and there, because this is where I'll be going up and down with one. Did you miss it? Alright, so we started putting up these here, going across. I made all my cuts. Each shelf has one. I gotta put them on. Each shelf has one. I'm gonna put those on. Alright, got the front braces in. See here. Now we have to put is one up and down, all the way down to the ground. But we'll get to that. Probably gonna do the floor first tomorrow, so we'll see. All right, so that's the end of part 1 to this video. We're gonna go ahead and do this in a couple of parts. I don't know how many parts we'll see, but Appreciate it. Thanks. Share, like, and subscribe.